Alright guys, I'm back on the Loco and I'm working on the connecting rods. I've got to cut down some material for that purpose, and so I'm doing a little more work with these larger end mills. Wasn't sure if I should be using these 3/4 inch ones on this small of a machine, but it seems to be working out really good as long as they're nice and sharp. They're staying quiet and cutting really good. So I'll run a pass on this piece of, this is 1/4 inch. Got to take it down to 3/16. So here we go. It's running about 750 on the RPM on that cut. It's running nice and quiet, so I think it's good. Got the blank marked out here. I'll bandsaw the excess off. I've used an end mill to make the recess for the forward part of the connecting rod, the driving one. I didn't do that on the previous, and so this is my third attempt at this particular rear connecting rod. These are the rear connecting rods here. Sorry for the light, but I've got to see what I'm doing here. Got to do some filing now and get everything smoothed out. Here you have one of the forward connecting rods that's already been done. I used the die filer just to blend the eyelet with the main body a little bit, and then used files on the rest of it. Took a while. the last little bit here on this connecting rod. This is the setup I'm using to machine the face or the recess portion of these connecting rods. It works really well. Sped it up a little here. After bringing that portion down to the proper thickness, next was to cut the groove in that face. I used a 732 bit. I should have used a 3/16. After checking the plans, it should have been probably a 3/16. But if I ever have to build these again, I'll probably use a 3/16. It leaves these walls just a little thin on top for that recess. A little more filing here to blend the feather in that recess between the eye and the main body. Use the laser light on my drill press just to center up those landings for the oil holes, where I need to drill the oil holes. They work really good just using that laser X on the top to assemble those in there. Used a number 50 drill bit here to drill these oil passages in. Next part was just opening those out a little bit on top so that there's a little bit of a reservoir. I use the drill press on that as well. Completed rod here with the steel pin driven in between the two. Didn't turn out too bad.